Got a little bit of snow overnight.
Yeah, got quite a bit of snow.
Well, we've been lucky so far this year. We had record temperatures. Since
and the storm isn't actually that bad. Like, although it's been said it's the historical level.
Yeah, they were saying we got the highest temperatures since 1965, which is older than me. So you're going for your G2 exit to get your G license.
Yes.
Okay, so and you'll have Tanya actually on the day of your road test.
Right. Yes. And I've been like 76553.
Thank you.
So I've been pressing with my on the what do you call it? The route.
Yeah.
So is there only going to be one route? Because she showed me where to go last time, and there are like multiple routes, and the examiner picks.
Yeah. There's no set route, but they stay within a certain zone.
Oh, there's no set route.
Not really. Well, for the G2 right now, what I've noticed is one particular route that they take. So we could take that one today. We'll just go like through a trial run.
Sure.
If you want.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, it would be great if we can actually go to the driving center.
Yeah.
And then run through the entire thing.
We'll do that for sure.
Yeah.
We'll pretend like it's we'll do
like
a mock road test sort of thing.
That'll be good.
Okay. Sounds good to me. So if you're ready, then your mirrors are all adjusted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that should be fine.
I'm ready when you are then.
Good, thank you. So as you go into D, it automatically disengages.
Yes.
So if I want to engage it, then I would be doing this, right?
No, actually it does it automatically too.
Oh, wow.
Watch this. So basically when you put it into drive, it disengages it automatically. And you put it in park, and it re-engages it. So you don't even have to do anything.
Wow, that's cool.
For my students that are going for their G1 exit, I have to show them, I have to teach them to verbalize whenever they put it in park. They say engage park and brake or something like that.
Right. That is interesting.
So you want to head over to the road test center then?
Right.
Okay. So how much driving experience do you have?
I've been... Right, are you going to point me to...
Yes, sure.
Where to go?
We're going to keep going straight here, yeah.
Okay. I've been driving... I had license in Hong Kong for many years.
Okay.
But I am not like very super experienced driver, but I can operate the machine.
Okay. Excellent.
Yeah. And driving, say, the traffic, it's a lot better here compared to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
People are a lot more polite in a way. When,
Really?
Yeah, like seriously.
Here in Sudbury? Oh boy.
Yeah, seriously. Like, people are driving, most of the people are driving very politely here. Like, compared to Hong Kong.
They're not bad. They're not too bad, yeah.
Yeah. Especially, like...
I'm going to make a right turn at the stop sign up here.
When it comes to not letting people get in lane, in Hong Kong, it's like every day.
Okay.
And people bump it, like they get really close to each other's butt all the time.
Following too close?
Yes. Mm-hmm. And that's really annoying for me.
Right turn here. Okay. Yeah, we get our fair share. I used to teach in Toronto for about 10 years or so. Back in the 1990s, there wasn't as much traffic as there is today, but back then it was pretty precarious out there. We're gonna make a left turn here at the intersection. I had another student that came from Hong Kong not too long ago. Actually, this just I think it's September last year. Eric from Garson. And he He passed his road test. He went for his G2 exit as well. He had
pretty much everyone's in the same place.
Yeah.
When we're coming from Hong Kong.
Yeah. You already have your license. You already have experience. We're going to make a right turn here. It's just a matter of getting used to the traffic patterns here.
Yeah, and also like the road signs and stuff are slightly different.
A little different, yeah. Yeah. Well, I'd probably be lost. We're going to make a right turn here at the stop sign.
Sure.
I'd probably be lost if I had to get my license in Hong Kong.
There are easier parts for sure, but there are also weird parts.
Mm-hmm.
The most weird part in Hong Kong is that in highways, the exit signs are very late. You're only like 500 meters away from your exit sign, so if you don't know beforehand, there's no way you can make it.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
You for sure have to know the way before, again, get into the correct lane before you arrive at anywhere near the exit. And people would try to stop you from getting into the correct lane for no reason all the time.
Okay.
That is very annoying.
Yeah. Sounds like it.
Yeah, but it's easier in a way when it comes to junctions. Because in Hong Kong, green light always go, red light always stop.
Yeah.
There isn't red light turn right or turn left, but you have to.
We're gonna turn left here.
Yeah, or that kind of like real-time judgment thing. You just follow the lights. It's easier that way.
Here
first.
Yep.
And we don't have these either. that's one of the things I'm most not used to is like find out who comes there first.
Okay.
And then I actually have to look at does he get a stop sign or not.
Good. Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Yeah. In Hong Kong, it's the roads are always fixed with one side being the main road. You would always have the priority, and then there will be one side always have the stop sign. You won't get multiple stop signs at the same place in Hong Kong. So that it makes sense both ways, but just directed to a different outcome.
Okay. So what we're going to do, we can't go into the road test center to park there during business hours. So we'll go into the pharmacy parking lot right here. Left turn right into the parking lot right here. And then
this is the opposite side of the shopping center, right?
Yeah, I'll show you that.
Okay.
And what we'll do is we'll back it into the space over here on the right.
We have to back it in.
Yeah.
Sure.
It's more difficult in the winter because you can't see the lines too much.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier at the road test center because you get some cars that you can park between and gives you some reference points. This is really good.
Okay.
I mean, you can continue backing into your space here.
Do I get to like make corrections?
Right here, go ahead and straighten your wheels out because you're perfectly centered within the lines here. You're not allowed to use that.
I
I'm just
didn't
watching.
notice.
Yeah.
I didn't notice.
I'm just watching that. That's actually very good.
Okay.
Just make sure your wheels are straight before you go.
Oops.
There you go. You can come in a little bit more. So
what's that line? So it's just snow.
Oh, that's just snow, yeah.
Okay.
It's a tire track.
Okay, like this?
A little bit more. You want to bring your red line to that curve, the bump there. That's the curve.
Ah, right. That's the kind of thing that's
There you
really
go.
new to me. Right.
Okay. So if they do ask you to back into a space, it'll be at that parking lot just across the street. And there's going to be cars. So it'll be a little easier to back in. But what they don't want you to do is rely on that monitor.
That means I can't just look at that. I have to
Yeah.
actually turn around and do it the old school way.
Yeah, exactly. And
Yeah,
you can
that's
glance
fine.
at your mirrors. You can glance at them, but primary line of sight should be, looking out the windows back there.
And there aren't like the opposite side either, right?
Same size.
I mean, they only have one row of parking. They don't have opposite line of parking right here.
That's correct, yeah.
Yeah, because
We're going to go and take a look.
I find it easier if there's opposite side because I can definitely look at the back and that as a reference as well.
Yeah.
So that's fine. So they do have to test me on the parking.
Well, when you come back, they'll get you to either pull in forward into the parking space
Or back into.
or back in. One or the others. So
How about parallel parking? Do they test that?
no, they don't get you to do that at all. No
Okay.
3-point turns, no parallel parking. All it is
No
just
3-point turns either?
No, just straightforward going down LaSalle, doing a couple of lane changes
Uh-huh.
and traffic lights, some traffic lights, a left turn at a light basically, and then down to the highway through a roundabout.
Yeah.
And then down the highway back to the road test center, and then you park the vehicle. That's it.
Right.
Yeah, they've reduced because of the pandemic. They reduced the time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they don't do that much.
Wow, that's good for me.
Yeah, it's very easy. It's gonna be very
Yeah.
easy. Yeah.
So, I've been to that place before, and you said we can't actually park there.
Yeah, we can't because during business hours they don't want us in there practicing because we slow.
Oh, okay. So
the
it's
examiners
not
will
like
get upset.
they allow like people to park, but just not like the practice guys.
Driving schools, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You might see a few sneaking in there every now
Okay,
and then,
okay.
but yeah.
Right, that's
You know.
fine. That's fine.
So,
Yeah,
but
I was just wondering if I were breaking rules because I did look at the signs and there's nothing stopping me from going there to have a look.
yeah, if it's,
So, yeah,
that's
that's
fine.
fine.
If it's your personal vehicle,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can
yeah,
get
that's
in there
fine.
for sure. So if you're ready, then we'll take the trial run.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay. I just would like to ask. So from that car park, when we start with the examiner, we're coming out from this way, right? Because I know there are two ways to go, and that way is a lot harder.
So what we'll do, we can do a drive-through. Like we can't park there, but we can drive by. So what we'll do is, I'll take you.
Okay.
Let's
Right.
go.
Let's do it.